In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to create iOS icons using official Apple template. I provided 4 files for you to follow these tutorials: Apple official iOS template for iOS 12, SVG painting, empty Xcode project, and modified JSON for automatic Xcode import. First, set Apple template to stationary pad. This will prevent accidental change to the original template. Then drag the design work to sky symbol. It will automatically fill all the different sizes. Turn off the rounded corner mask, as Apple requires us to use rectangle icons without cropping. Export the icons directly to the Xcode icon folders. And replace the original JSON file with my provided modified version. Open Xcode and check if all the icons are filled. You may see a yellow warning here. This is because template provide icons that is no longer necessary. Delete the icon with warning sign. Congratulations, you just finished create iOS icons.